Building a house on the water? Not even a house, but a whole water park? That sounds fantastic! And it looks unbelievable! What could be more beautiful than the sea? Especially when you are cruising on a fast boat with friends. This is heaven! A gentle breeze blows on your face, and it seems like you are surrounded by infinite happiness and nothing else. But life would be boring if things like this never happened. The desire to take a couple of selfies turned out to be a problem. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Help! Finding yourself in the middle of the sea with no rescue equipment. Oh no! Let's see how Jane and Lily will get out of the water. They are lucky it's not that far to shore. Just a little more. Just a little more. They finally made it. Oh, there's some clothes. A nice hat. It's okay they went on without us. We're fine. Styrofoam. All right, we can make something. We even have insulation foam and boards. Lay the styrofoam like this. Now let's apply the insulation foam to the sides. And glue the sheets together to make a structure. Secure the joints with boards and screws. As you can see, we got a great raft. Now take bamboo sticks. Make a U-shape. And use the insulation foam to fix them in the corners. Tie the sticks together from the top like this. Do the same thing on all the sides. Great! Don't forget to put foam around the perimeter too. All you have to do now is create a cozy atmosphere. A little of this, a little of that. A piece of tulle, some flannel, some pillows, lights, and all other kinds of cute decor. And the raft looks like a little paradise. Time to launch the boat! Hooray! To keep your little abode from being swept out to sea, tie it to shore with a rope. It feels so wonderful! How nice to drift around in such a cozy nest. I just wish I had something I could sunbathe on right in the water. No problem, let's make one. Take a big piece of plastic netting. Fold it up like this. And use plastic ties on the sides. Cut off the ends with scissors. Now you'll need some balloons and a pump. Inflate the balloons. You'll need a lot. Put them inside the bag. Use another plastic tie to seal it. Tie ropes to the corners. Now throw it in the water. A perfect inflatable island is ready. It's so soft and comfortable. This is bliss! Now let's make something out of a real inflatable mattress. Let's pump it up with air. Not too bad already. Now you'll need some big plastic bottles. Lay them like this. Tape them to each other. Tie the bottlenecks with a rope like this and attach them to the mattress. Cover the top of your structure with a pool cover. And let's launch it! A little water on top for sliding ease. And you can go straight into the sea. Splash! This is a real water park, but better, right? Look at what an amazing water park June and Lily made. It's absolutely incredible. It has everything you could want. No yacht can compare to this cozy open sea camping. Everyone can be comfortable here. You can just relax on the waves. And it's so nice to lie in the sun like this. In the middle of the sea. It's bliss! Heavenly delight! There are so many interesting things to do in the floating house. You can eat some snacks, look at the sunset, or just relax in the gentle warmth of the sun. And you can dip your foot in it if it gets too hot. Time feels so slow. But it's not boring at all. How could such idyllic relaxation be boring? Especially when there are sea creatures involved, like crabs that you can catch right from the water house. They're so funny. Oh, looks like we have a guest, and he seems to be enjoying himself, especially since he has such a charming shell. He'd still feel better in a familiar environment, so let's return him to the bottom of the sea. I can't believe we really did all this! We built ourselves such a lovely house! Now you can have some fun! Even a basic ball game becomes exciting! However, the nicest thing to do is just lie down and warm up in the sun. The view is incredible! Amazing! Look at how beautiful the sunset is on the water! We're so one with nature! If we could build a house like this, then we can organize a food delivery service too. A bit of creativity and modern technology, and it's all set. Get a toy remote-controlled boat. Tie a small inflatable pool to it. And put your provisions inside. Voila! Marine delivery service is on its way to customers. What a service! The food floats right into your hands. Literally! Robinson Crusoe is shaking at this invention. When night falls, you can turn on the string lights and flashlights. The floating house looks magical when it's all lit up. Only the sound of the waves, the gentle breeze. What's better than this? It's paradise! I've never felt so relaxed. Oh, if you bring a ukulele with you, you can make it a musical evening too. This is amazing, creating such a getaway from the simplest things, enjoying life. I wish I could stay in this moment forever. Time to take some magical selfies. Can you say no filter? They are definitely not necessary here. Did you like the Troom floating house? Would you want to make something like that for the summer? All it takes is some imagination and a little work, but it's more than worth it for the peace and relaxation. Let us know what you'd build in the comments. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And subscribe to our channel if you are new. Hit the bell so you don't miss anything from Troom Select.